Hello, I am Salomon Sotomayor. I just finished my LL.M program at the University of Texas School of Law. I did my concentration in global energy and international arbitration, and I'm here to share with you three main reasons why you should choose Texas to do your LL.M program. The first reason is the quality of the program. Probably at this point you're considering different schools to do your LL.M program and you're checking some law school rankings and you're able to see that Texas is among the best 20 law schools in the country. This is a good start. However, I would not base my entire decision based on those rankings because what you're looking for is the best LLM program for you, the best concentration for you. I would recommend you to search on the website for the courses, the professors that are going to be teaching the classes that you're interested in. For example, I choose Texas because I was looking for an energy program. And I cannot venture myself to tell you that there's no better place in the United States to discuss energy matters than the University of Texas at Austin. I had great energy law classes, but I also had the opportunity to share classes with professors and students from the Macomb School of Business, the Jackson School of Geoscience, the LBJ School of Public Affairs, and the School of Engineering. So this opportunity is very valuable for someone who is looking for a specific concentration. Also, you will be sharing classes with JDs or other graduate students that already have experience in the energy US industry. Before they enrolled, they had a job in a company or energy company or in the government. The same happens with other concentration in business, in cybersecurity, in Latin American studies. All the concentrations allow you to share your knowledge with other faculty members and other students from other departments. The second reason is the class size and the approachability of professors. Remember this. The smaller the class, you will have more opportunities to take advantage of the law school in general. You can ask directly professors for office hours to solve some doubts about the class, or also you can ask them for mentoring if you're having doubts about your academic intentions or your professional goals. They will be very approachable and very open to discuss with you those matters. But also, you will have more opportunities to attend to law events where law firms, researchers, companies, or public officials are going to be there sharing their knowledge or doing networking in general. This is not necessarily true if you are in a class with 200 or 300 law students. This is not going to be the same effect. So you should consider that Texas LLM, it's a class less than 50 students normally, and you will be split in concentrations, and you will have opportunities to attend to those events with law firms. You will have the opportunities to interact with the JDs directly, and you will also have the opportunities to interact with other faculty members. So take in account that if you are considering an LLM, you should pick one that it has a class size that can allow you to take advantage of the law school. The last reason is the bar exam. At this point, you already have a law degree and probably work experience in your own country. So getting a second law degree, it's already a very good thing for your resume. Now imagine that that second law degree can help you to be licensed in the United States, in states like Texas, California, or New York. This is probably something that is going to be very interesting for you. Normally, during 1 year of LLM, you will have 24, 26 credit hours to take your course and also to comply with your concentrations. So it could be very difficult to cover all the topics that are going to be tested on the bar exam: torts, civil procedure, criminal procedure, evidence, property. There's a lot of materials that are going to be covered and that you're going to have to take a special course at the end of your LLM program to cover. But something that is very important for LLM students, and especially for international LLM students, is that the University of Texas help us during the year with special lectures to serve as an introduction to those topics. We had during the year classes or small lectures with the main issues around civil procedure and around criminal law, and that is very helpful because coming from a different jurisdiction, coming from a different even civil law, instead of common law, it's very difficult. So being able to have those special introduction classes is going to be very helpful for you. You can check for the results of previous LLM students that I have taken the bar exam. They have been very successful, and I am pretty sure that it's basically because the school takes this very seriously. They help us during the process. They help us with doubts, and this is probably something that you're going to be very interesting. If these reasons were not enough for you and also you're looking for a fun personal growth experience, I can assure you that Austin is the best place to do that. This is the live music capital of the world. You will be able to attend to very good live music events. And also, I will encourage you to buy the big ticket if you want to be part of the Longhorn community, attending football games, baseball, basketball, soccer, volleyball. You will be able to be part of this community and be proud of being part of the University of Texas at Austin. Also, if you want to be in contact with the nature, you can go to lakes and do kayaking or paddleboard, or you can go places and do hiking, camping, and this is going to be probably something useful after exams or after a stress period of times where you are going to be able to have a break and to get in contact with nature. I will really miss my time at UT, but I expect that you will not miss your opportunity to attend the University of Texas School of Law. I look forward to see your pictures in the Instagram of the LL.M program, learning that you took your best decision, and remember that hook 'em horns.